Great morning, everyone. As you know, today we will do practical, that is limiting friction. In today's practical, we will find a relation between limiting friction and the normal reaction. So let's start. For this practical, we need a wooden block and it is attached to a plate. Okay, and it is frictionless pulley. Clear? So for this, we have to use different weights and we have to check when the block will move. Clear? So, is it move? No? So try different weight. Yes, it is moving now. Clear? So what is the different weight? It is 500 gram. Okay, so we have to write it first of all. So firstly beta, the mass of wooden block is 0.050 kilogram. Okay, yes. Now firstly we have to find the normal force. Here the normal force, that is total weight of this wooden block. Okay, and the total weight that I have put here again. Okay, so this was 1.274. Clear? And the mass of the pan, we have find this, the mass of the pan is 0.025 kilogram. Okay, we have to use the units in kilogram. Limiting friction, it will be when the wooden block will move. We have done this, the value will be 0.441 and we have to find the coefficient of friction here by dividing them. Here, if we are dividing them, the result will be 0.35 and now we will increase the weight here by putting this here and now we have to check when this will move. Clear? Again you have to do the reading again. Clear? You have to do this 2 or 3 times. Clear? Then you have to make a graph between them. Clear? When we make a graph between them, the graph will be a straight line. Okay? So the result after it, we have to find the mean value. Okay? Clear beta? When we find the mean value, here we can find the limiting friction. Coefficient of limiting friction. Okay? Get it all? Okay beta.